my YouTube fam, welcome back to another one of my videos. Well, this is budgeting on a low income video, one of those type of video. And today we're not doing cash stuff in envelopes, but the reason why I'm incorporating this into budget on a lower income is because groceries have to be budgeted in there. Okay, so that being said, my budget is showing that I really don't have anything but about $20 to budget on food for about the next 3 weeks. $20. So what I'm going to do is shop my cabinets and my fridge, and whatever you see that can be made a meal and I miss it, please let me know. And usually when I cook, heads up, that I usually cook for about 2 or 3 days. My meals last for about 2 or 3 days, and I'm just talking about my dinner meals. So come on with me. Let's shop my cabinet. All right, quickly, I'm going over. I have 3 cans of spaghetti sauce. 3 cans of spaghetti sauce. So that being said, let's see what I got. We'll check our meat later. So we have 3 cans. Oh, nope. 4 cans of spaghetti sauce. We have 2 cans of baked beans, which I didn't know that I had out there really. They're right in my face. We have some diced tomatoes. Hope y'all can see that. We have 2 cans of those. What's this? Another can of spaghetti stuff. See, that's where I get where when you don't write down what you really have in your cabinet, you go there and you just get extra stuff. All right. So we have the spaghetti noodles. All right. So y'all know where I'm going with that. Look at here. Another can of spaghetti. And we don't eat spaghettis that much. So that's 6 cans of spaghetti sauce. All right. I have some Jiffy Mix, 2 boxes of Jiffy Mix. 7 cans of spaghetti sauce. Okay, really, Towanda? Really? Some more diced tomatoes. We got kidney beans. Okay, we got Vienna sausages, but this is something for Ace to snack on. Really not dinner. We have this light and fluffy noodles that will be good. A few things of Ritz crackers. Got about this. I have chicken flavor pasta. Have 2 bags of those. 2 bags of the same mixture. And I have a lot of rice. I have rice in here. And I also have rice in here. And I got onion stuff falling everywhere. I got a bag of onions up here that I really don't need to hide. I hope y'all can hear me. Have another box of spaghettis. That's popcorn. So really, that's all I really have so I can make some meals. All right, so let's see what we have for meat. Go in the refrigerator. Don't judge because it's not clean out. All right, then. We have some hamburger meat here. So I know what I probably can make with, I know what I can make with all those spaghetti sauce, but we don't eat spaghettis like that, back to back to back to back to back. So I can use half of this to make spaghettis, and half of this meat, and 1 box of spaghetti, and about 2 cans of that will last me and Ace about 2 to 3 days. But you know, after 2 to 3 days, you don't want to eat the same thing unless you have to. We're not going to complain, are we? All right. Focus. Okay. Let's see what else we have up here. I have some tilapia up here. Some frozen tilapia. So, Ace really won't eat that because He really won't eat it, so that'll be just for me. I have meatballs. And we don't like meatballs in our spaghetti. I will eat them in there, but we prefer not to have them in there. We just prefer to have the grounded up hamburger meat instead of the meatballs. So maybe y'all can give me an idea of what I can do with the meatballs that I have there. We have some shrimps, which I'm going to pass this on to my son's girlfriend because I'm not a shrimp cooker and somebody that gave me this. Is it washing out? I'm sorry, y'all. What do I need to cut off? You keep washing out. I don't want no bad picture. Okay, we got breaded sticks. Okay, that can go with the spaghetti. Right here we have, this is my stir fry that I put in here. The stir fry vegetables, which is nothing but bell pepper, onions, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. I'm trying to see what is that better? Not really. Huh. Yeah, really. Hold up. Maybe. All right, let's see how it works. Okay, right here we have smoked neck bones. You probably can't see it, but just listen to the word. We have smoked neck bones. This looks like about two. This is either 1 or 2 pork chops left. This whole bag here is breaded chicken patties, which we're not eating. It's been up there for a while, so actually I'm going to give it to someone if they don't. I'm quite sure they would want it. So, oh, here's some more pork chops. Probably about 2 pork chops in this one. Okay. This is something else I'm going to give to someone. This is like cheese sticks. I don't want to put it too close. Maybe if I turn it this way, let's see. Like this. This is cheese sticks. All right, these are the chicken strips. Chicken strips, and I'm thinking this chicken strip can probably, I'm looking at, go with this. That's what I kind of purchased it for. But if you have, you know, these two together, bam. I wish I could just, you know, say bam and the meal just come straight out like that, cooked. You know, the magic stuff. Let me get right like that. Let's see. We have chicken breast. Chicken breast. Look, I went and bought neck bones. And some was at the back of my refrigerator already. I tell you the truth. Oh, look. Oh. Okay. And some more hamburger meat. Mind you, we don't eat that much. We'll eat spaghetti, but it's not something we like to eat every week. So we will eat hamburger meat every week, but not spaghetti so much. Remember I tell you, man, Ace love to make smoothies. This is what we have in there. There's a floating fish. What else we have right here? Ooh, some mangoes for our smoothie. Let's see what we have in the door. Some more chicken breast. Gosh. I think, what you think? Tell me, I think I got enough to make some meals. We have some green peas to last us. We have some more mango smoothies. I have some carrots, diced carrots. You know that's been in there a long time. You heard how it came up. White cream corn. I don't know how to cook this. Somebody gave it to me. Yeah. And this right here is just waffles in here. 2 what you call them? Pancakes. Frozen pancakes, which need to go in the garbage. This is his ice super pops. Okay. I'll get that up a little later. And that's about it. Hey y'all, I'm working with my new tripod. Don't have a camera yet. One step at a time, huh? So, yeah, let me see if I can. I'm learning it, so work with me, y'all. Work with me. But, all right, so you see what I have already to work with. So help a sister out planning some meals besides spaghetti all the time. Look at all these pans I had got. Ooh. So go ahead and put this up. So help a sister out. Don't forget about the baked beans. What all I can do with the baked beans. We have that. Oh, I got the chicken. Alright, I'm gonna move you back some. Alright, there I'm sorry I'm looking washed out. Put this chicken up in here. Put it in that side door. Okay. I believe that's it. Move you over here so you can see me. So, hope I don't look too washed out. So, that's what I'm budgeting with this week. Well, for the next 3 weeks to the middle of next month. $20 for grocery. Even if I get paid. And the reason why I say that is because I was on spring break. And I don't get paid while I'm on spring break. So my check is going to be short. I need to pay rent. So I need to think and use my head what I'm going to do, what ways I can cut and save money. So I said, let me shop my refrigerator. Let me shop my cabinet. I didn't show you down up in here. Let me let y'all see all my business. Hold up. There's nothing really down up in there. I hope y'all can see it. Not much. Guys got some, oop, can you see it? Right here got some tomatoes, bread, leftover beef stew, and rice and collard greens, which I'm going to bag that up today and put it in the freezer because we've been eating off of that since Sunday. I have. Ace been stopped eating off of it. Sunday was his last day, first day and last day. He don't like too much leftovers. In my door, I know we could do peanut butter and jelly for dinner some days. Not much. A few eggs in here. So I know with that $20, I know I'm going to have to get some eggs. This morning I bought some milk this morning. It's back there. I got some orange juice. Somebody had gave me a case of these here. They're croissants, the buttery croissants, and they're so good. Well, my daddy left them for me, so when he came. But that's about it. Got some butter in there. Nothing really major in there. So, that's all. If you have any ideas, I don't like to cook long. I like my meals to be quick. I don't like to stand over the stove and cook. Those days for me are over with. I don't have a husband. Ace barely eats. But when I had a husband, and when I had my 2 older sons living in the house with me as well, then, oh baby, we had meals. We had meals. I love to cook, but those days are over right now. So if you can please give me some suggestion, what you saw, what I can put together. I know a lot of people probably going to say spaghetti. Thank you. But I know spaghetti. But what else can I make besides spaghetti, even with the spaghetti sauce and the hamburger meat? Can I put it with something else? I don't know. Something quick, easy, tasty. You know, I got the seasoning to work with. I ain't worried about the seasoning. But just give me some ideas so that I can stretch my food and it can last. And where it won't get bored. You know, some ideas here. Some ideas. That's all I can say. Some ideas. That's all I'm saying. Ideas, ideas, ideas. Because really, I don't want to really go search the web and Google, what can I cook with this? What can I cook with that? I don't feel like doing that. I got family members out there that'll help me. Yeah, I'm being lazy. But I love you all. Remember to put all your trust in the Lord. for. He cares for us. And I thank you and I love you so, so much. And one thing I can't say, I don't know when, I don't know where, and I don't know how. But I know for sure, one thing for sure, that God will always make a way in His time. Love you all. To my next budget video.